Alright, we're going to attempt to build our first PC, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Power supply, 750 watts, Asus Prime motherboard, Kraken water cooler, 1080 graphics card, a i7 32GB of RAM, an SSD for the operating system and programs, a 2TB hard drive, operating systems on there, Windows 10, thermal paste, and then a toolkit. Case is a Fantex P400S, 24-inch monitors there. So yeah, don't really know how well this is going to go, but we'll give it a try, and hopefully it works. We'll see. Ooh. I hope there's instructions with all this shit. Sick. I have instructions. Safety information. Ooh. This is nicely packaged. Big ass kickstop box. So I bought this electrical kit as well, and I've never seen half the tools in here, but this looks like it cuts boxes. What else could it be for? It's definitely not for tape, because it doesn't cut at all. Fuck! Oh my god, it's out. Oh, I get an LED strip, that's cool. Now how do I know which screws are which? There's a lot of different screws in here. For the full detailed version, visit this website. But I don't have a computer because I'm building one. I guess I'm earthed now. I don't feel any different. Ooh. Unboxing. Damn. Looks pretty nice. Don't know what that one does. CPU installation tool. Do I need that? It smells good. It smells like paint. Right, let's open this. Now apparently these are really easy to damage, so I'm pretty worried that I'm going to damage it. Place it down gently. I need to stop pulling it in and out because it's going to damage it, and that's the important part. Right, fuck it, let's just try and push it down, see if it works. It didn't go down and the fucking thing broke off, fuck. It might be broken. It's probably broken. If the computer doesn't work, that's probably why. So, we'll see. I'm gonna have a break. Gym break. Gym break's over. Alright, another unboxing, let's go. Kraken X52. I'll be using this PC for mainly video editing, maybe a little bit of gaming, I don't know yet. I'll see how the games are on here compared to the PlayStation. Spins pretty smooth. One fan. And next we're going to do the M2 SSD. And another instruction manual. I'm not going to use this. My operating system and all my programs are going to go on here. Oh, for fuck's sake, it's not magnetic. I bought this toolkit especially for this, and it's not even magnetic. RAM. Corsair Vengeance, 32 gigs. I've got two 16 gig sticks. They're actually quite heavy. Wow, you have to push really hard on these fucking components, don't you? It really feels like you're going to break them. Right, we're halfway in. Oh my god. That first one wasn't even in. I'm going to start working in the case now. Alright, I'm getting there now. Got the radiator installed there with the cooler. I've done a bit of wiring. It's pretty clean so far. But yeah, we'll see if it works. Probably not. One of the final unboxings, other than the monitors, is the graphics card. Hopefully this is easy to install. Why doesn't it go in? Oh, it's in! Is it in? Oh. Alright, here's the front. Pretty neat, I suppose. One more unboxing of the monitors. Let's see what these bad boys look like. Let's see if it works. The monitor's on. I'm about to press the power button. don't think it's gonna work. Fuck, doesn't work. Ah, I haven't turned the back on. Please be it. Yes, it is. Okay, now we're live. We're wired up. Is it gonna work? Please work. Oh, at least it's turned on. Fuck. I'm gonna stop the camera, figure out what I need to do, and then try and install Windows. So yeah, it works. It works! Even the colours work. Check it out. Right, we're almost there. Everything's working fine other than this screen, so I think I need to download the drivers for the graphics card, and then I should be able to display on that one. So we'll see, and then I'll download some editing software and try and make this video.